The scale of cocaine use in Ireland has dramatically increased in recent years. While precise figures remain elusive due to the clandestine nature of drug use and trafficking, reports from various sources, including law enforcement agencies and health organisations, paint a concerning picture. Seizures of cocaine have risen sharply, indicating a substantial influx of the drug into the country. And not just in large, major urban centres. Smaller towns and rural areas are also experiencing a surge in cocaine-related issues. Several factors have contributed to the growth of Ireland's cocaine problem. Firstly, the global drug trade's sophisticated networks facilitate the easy transportation and distribution of cocaine. Ireland's geographic location, serving as a gateway to Europe, makes it a prime target for traffickers. Secondly, economic factors play a crucial role. Periods of economic hardship can lead to increased vulnerability to drug use, as individuals may turn to substances as a coping mechanism. Furthermore, the rising cost of living and limited access to support services exacerbate this vulnerability. The consequences of Ireland's cocaine problem are far-reaching and devastating. On an individual level, cocaine addiction leads to severe health problems including cardiovascular issues, respiratory complications, and mental health disorders. The addictive nature of cocaine can destroy families and relationships, leaving individuals isolated and vulnerable. At a community level, the drug trade fuels crime, violence, and antisocial behaviour. The demand for cocaine creates a lucrative market for criminal gangs, leading to increased gang activity and territorial disputes. This in turn impacts public safety and community cohesion. On a national level, the cost of addressing the cocaine problem, including law enforcement, healthcare, and social services, places a significant strain on the resources. Much stigma remains about cocaine use and its addiction, and the government are not modern enough in Ireland to address the issue as they should. Addressing the modern cocaine problem in Ireland requires a multi-pronged approach. Strengthening law enforcement efforts to disrupt drug trafficking networks is crucial. However, a purely punitive approach is insufficient. Investing in preventative measures, such as comprehensive drug education programs in schools and communities, is essential to raise awareness and reduce demand. Furthermore, expanding access to addiction treatment and support services is vital to help individuals overcome addiction and rebuild their lives. A holistic approach that combines law enforcement, prevention, and treatment is necessary to effectively tackle this complex and growing challenge. Ultimately, addressing the root causes of drug use, such as poverty, inequality, and social exclusion, is crucial for long-term success in combating the cocaine problem in Ireland. Only through a comprehensive and collaborative effort can Ireland hope to mitigate the devastating consequences of this escalating crisis. On a more personal level, I hope anyone watching this video with addiction issues seeks out the services that are available. I know in this country, the government are far from perfect in how they handle people with addiction. They treat them as criminals rather than people who need help. But there are still phone lines and services that can help you, even if only a little bit. Hopefully by talking about cocaine and its addiction in a more open and friendly environment, we can reduce the stigma around this drug. Maybe someday people with drug addiction problems and mental health issues won't be looked at as criminals, and more as people who need help and we should invest in to get the best out of them. Please like this video if you enjoyed the content and subscribe if you're new. Thanks guys, stay tough.